In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Ford Escape. It is located in the engine bay area. In the engine bay behind your driver's headlight is your air cleaner box. Your air cleaner box has 4 8mm bolts. You need to remove those. Take your air cleaner lid and lift straight up and out. Your air filter just lifts straight up from the right-hand side and out to your right. At this time, you want to clean any debris that's in your air cleaner box blower piece, which this one is pretty clean. Now you take your new air filter. Your new air filter has a tab here. That tab goes into this hole here. But you want to put your cone piece on first. Push in. Line your tab up on the right. And push straight down. Now you take your air cleaner top. Slide it over your new air cleaner. Line up your bolts and tighten them.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.